Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a Binance account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Binance application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and of course activate the application, and here we are where you can see how you can create a Binance account. So first of all, tell us about yourself. So I'm new to crypto, or I'm a crypto pro. For the sake of this video, I'll put I'm a new to crypto. Then what you need to do is go and type in your email. So basically, when you type in your email, then you just need to click next. So you need to accept and click next, and then verify your email. On your email address, you'll get a code which you can then go and type here. So you can go and I'll just confirm it now. So I'm waiting for my email to come on my PC. And when you get it, now you can go and activate when you get the code, you can activate your account. Click next, then put a password that you would like. And welcome aboard. Do you have an inviter? Or yes or no? I'll put no. And that's that, guys. You have your account. Now, guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notification on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, guys, of course, bye.